So we are not interested in targeting poor people. What we are interested in is power should be efficiently used. See the leakages. All the proliferation that is happening in power should be stopped. Because the ministers are involved, the politicians are involved, the bureaucrats are involved.
What happened? You all will keep coming here for the last half an hour. We are giving vibes only. And the PCCF should hear the voice of all the people. आम्ही राणा वाचोवपाक गेल्यात. दिवचेना रे दिवचेना. राणा मारून दिवचेना. दिवचेना रे दिवचेना. राणा मारून दिवचेना. दिवचेना रे दिवचेना. जरा कदरूक दिवचेना. वाचयात रे वाचयात. आमची राणा वाचयात. बॉन्डला वाचयात. मोले वाचयात. भगवान महावीरला वाईल्ड लाईफ सँच्युरी वाचोयात. त्या खातीर सगळे लोक हांगासात. हे रान खाते बंद करात. सगळी तर झाडा राना मागतात. रान खाते बंद करात आणि तुम्ही घरा वचात. आम्ही तुमचे पगार दिवपी. वी आर द पे मास्टर्स ऑफ द फॉरेस्ट डिपार्टमेंट. यू आर सपोज टू प्रोटेक्ट द फॉरेस्ट. रानात वाचोवपाची, संरक्षण दिवपाचे आणि वाडोवपाचे तुमचे काम. निसंधन करपाचे न्ही. दिवचे ना रे दिवचे ना. जरा कदरूक दिवचे ना. दिवचे ना रे दिवचे ना. जरा कदरूक दिवचे ना. आमची राना वाचोयात. आम्ही सगळे हांगा तयार आसात राना वाचोवपाक. तुमची जबाबदारी तुम्ही करूंक ना. सगळी तुमची परवानगी परमिशन रद्द करात. कॅन्सल ऑल परमिशन्स फॉर ट्री कटिंग इन भगवान महावीर वाईल्ड लाईफ सँच्युरी, मोले अँड बॉन्डला. ऑल द permissions issued by the PCCF should be cancelled forthwith. आताच्या आता तो कॅन्सल करून उडाय. दिवचेना रे दिवचेना. राणा कदरूक दिवचेना. दिवचेना रे दिवचेना. जळा मारूक दिवचेना. दिवचेना रे दिवचेना. जळा मारूक दिवचेना. दिवचेना रे दिवचेना. जळा कदरूक दिवचेना. जय गोवा.
Sure. 5 जण गेले भितर.
दिवचेना रे दिवचेना.
5 जण गेले भितर. पहिलं.
दिवचेना रे दिवचेना. दिवचेना रे दिवचेना. PCCF and DCF. PCCF and DCF. PCCF and DCF. PCCF and DCF. We need our forest. We need our forest. We need our trees. We need our trees. We need our hills. दिवचेना रे दिवचेना. दिवचेना रे दिवचेना. दिवचेना रे दिवचेना. दिवचेना रे दिवचेना. जिंकतले रे जिंकतले. जिंकतले रे जिंकतले. जिंकतले रे जिंकतले. राखतले रे राखतले. राखतले रे राखतले. राखतले रे राखतले. We need our forest. We need our forest. We need our trees.
ए ರಂಜರೆ ಇದ್ರ ತೆಂಗ ಉಲ್ಲಲ್ಲಿ
ಈ ಚಾನಲ್ ಹಿಂದೆ
ಹಿಂಗೋ ಗಟ್ಲ
ಹಿಂಗೋ
cancel all felling of any trees because forests sustain ecosystems.
What is the time what is this all the protest is all about?
प्रोटेस्ट आमची रानां आनी झाडां वाचोवपाचो. हे भांडवलदार आसा ते तांच्या प्रॉफिटासाठी, त्यांच्या फायद्यासाठी आमची झाडां हजारांनी लाखांनी झाडां मारपाचे ते बंद करपा खातीर आमी हांगा आयिल्ले आसात. गोय आमचे आमकां जाय. The forest and trees support human life, not coal and not crony capitalists. So we are here to impress upon the PCCF that ताजे मूळ काम, his main job is to protect the forest, to see that the forests are not damaged and harmed. We are pleading for the right law to be used. His job is to protect and to take care of the forest. 80 वर्साचे झाड कापून 2 येदेशी ताळयो लावून कारवाराक गोयचे संरक्षण जातले. What is this logic? Talk to the people, interact with the stakeholders, be transparent and come to a scientific conclusion. We have to take care of ourselves and our future generations. And forests, trees, plants, they all do a service to society which this PCCF who takes the salary doesn't do. It is his moral duty to protect the forest, not to give permission to cut 1,50,000 plus forest species and trees, not to destroy a forest. And forest also gives service of other allied things, fruits, vegetable, wildlife, the eco balance. So we need our reptiles, we need our mushrooms, we need our trees, we need our air to breathe. They are the filters. Because of trees, otherwise we will have oxygen bars like how you have in Delhi with a cylinder. That is what you want us to do in Goa. PCCF, get out of Goa and stop this department. We don't need this kind of ran khate. असले ran khate असून आमकां कितें फायदो? पगार घालपाक तांकां आमच्या टॅक्स पेयराचो पगारांतल्यान तुमकां पोसता आमी. बंद करात आनी वचात घरा. आमची रानां आमी राखतले, आमकां कळटा. आमच्या पुर्वजांनी राखून दवरल्या आनी ताजे आमी सांबाळ करपाक आमी जाणात. सादो सामान्य मनीस रस्त्यार आयला, तुम्ही तुमचे कर्तव्य आनी काम विसरले देखून.
What is the purpose of the project?
Purpose of the projects is as declared in their own permissions where they have granted is for infrastructure. The three linear projects.
Purpose is to destroy Goa.
Yeah, the 3 linear projects, the 4 laning, the power transmission and double tracking of power railway. These are the causes why the forest clearances permissions are given. We are against it because it is wrong. It is a calamity on Goa. So we have come here to prevent calamity from befalling our poor little state of Goa, which was always known the world over as a green emerald. We will not allow these few thieves to rob it. Goa is not to give for ransom to your crony capitalists. Bear in mind, we will come not now. We will come till we chase all these kind of infidels out of our state, including the government.
But CM is saying that the coal handling will not be done.
CM is a known liar, a habitual liar and a great eugenist. He doesn't know what he speaks 2 days ago and he doesn't know what he will speak 2 days after. We have seen the CM's ever changing colors, even chameleons are ashamed. He, see, आमच्या गोंय खातीर परिकराक सुद्धा गोंयकार जावन इल्लेशे काळी जाले, चर जाले ताका. 2013 ताणे रद्द केले. ताणे सांगले 1 कोला खातीर आपण दिवचो ना. हांव त्याचो आदर करता. तेन्ना पासून कितें तरी एक गोंयकार खंय लिपून नाशिल्लो परिकाराच्या काळजान तो भायर सरलो आनी उलयलो. हे सगळे धोळडी रे, ते आमकां विकूंक भायर सरल्यात. हे आमी परवानगी कशीच दिवपाक ना. दिल्यात परवानगी त्यो सगळ्यो रद्द करच्यो, कॅन्सल करच्यो.
But they said that they will carry the ideology of the late Manohar Parrikar.
Late Manohar Parrikar spoke the truth. It is on record in the assembly records, it is on record in the media, it is on record in our hearts. Parrikar is first a Goan and it is his moral duty to protect Goa. He represented Goa, he did not represent the coal lobby. Parrikar spoke as a Goan in 2013. We want that legacy of a true Goan, which is that Parrikar had upheld that time to be upheld now. CM आता परिकाराक फटिंग करता जालो ना. He is his guru. He doesn't know how to respect his guru because he has only learned to rob. तो दोडा मार्ग गोया हाडपा करतालो हे खातीर. तो प्रॉपर्टी सावंत. He is not our chief minister.
Ma'am, if the trees will be cut, what will be the overall impact ecologically?
That is what we are demanding: transparency and scientific dialogue with the stakeholders. What is the service of the trees to humans and existence? What is the carbon sequestration? These are the questions we have studied, we have bothered to know. I don't think Pramod Sawant is aware of all this. तो झाडपाल्याचो दोतोर म्हणटा आपण ताका झाडूच खंयचे ते खबर ना, तो झाडां कातरूंक परमिशनां दिता.
Even a child knows what is destruction of trees. You don't have to teach everybody here, you know. People are educated. Small children, they know what is photosynthesis, huh? What is absorption of CO2 and giving out oxygen. It is simple, but this government it does not understand. Because they don't understand. Why they don't understand? Because there is big load of money coming from Adanis and all these big fellows, cronies.
Yes, sir, you are the environment, so how
There in
you
the
think?
DPR, the names are found in the DPRs of all these projects.
PCCF. PCCF. What is the meaning of PCCF? Principal Chief Conservator of Forests. And this man, who is the Principal Chief Conservator of Forests, has not done a little bit of even 1% of to save our forests or trees. They have been only giving permission to cut trees. They should be renamed as Principal Chief Destroyer of Forests. They don't. This name doesn't suit them. This name, which is Principal Chief Conservator of Forests, and I told Mr. Subhash Chandra, who's come here from Delhi, he is whatever IF or officer, that show me one token of attempt being made by you to save a tree, save a forest. What are you doing there? Just sitting and giving permission blindly to cut trees. Then why do we need this department? We don't need this department. This entire state of Goa, people are, anybody is going and cutting trees. Vedanta, you name the companies. All the mining companies have gone into the forest and started mining and cutting trees. What is that doing? What are you doing to preserve the conserve the trees?
Wildlife warden is given promotion in the last 5 days for this permission.
They get promotion.
Gratification.
When they give permission to cut more trees, they're being more promoted.
So you mean to say we have to change the name conservation to destruction?
Now, instead of Principal Chief Conservator of Forests, it should be renamed as Principal Chief Destroyer of Forests, and this department has to be shut down. We should not waste our taxpayers' money on paying these people's salaries.
Rename.
Because there's no law and order.
CF and DCF.
We already have a law.
Goa Forest Department.
Carol,
The forest and
just
wildlife.
1 minute. See, we have a Goa Preservation of Tree Act. This act has been diluted so much, and nobody follows this act. How have they given this permission? We need people like what has happened in Bombay, in Maharashtra, in Pune and other parts. The High Court has struck down the powers given to the Forest Department.
Yes.
So it's the same way we must now appeal to the High Court to stop these people giving any powers to cut trees. They have no right to cut trees. That is simple. You are being paid for what? To conserve the forest or destroy the forest? Right now they are not doing their job.
Yes.
So we have to see that this department shuts down. And people will decide what is development, what is not development, what is benefit for Goa, what is not benefit for Goa. We don't want destructive development. This is destruction. This is not development. This is not infrastructure.
Basically, you're against of which project?
We are against all the projects which are destroying forests. Our trees.
CF and DCF. For Goa Forest Department. Criminals of forest and wildlife.